Welcome to the Soulstice on Stage playlist, where I share the weekly blog posts that are published to my soulsticeliving.com blog. Check it out, subscribe. And today we are going to read how to organize cleaning supplies in 3 easy steps. Are you ready? All right, let's see. Okay. How to organize cleaning supplies in 3 easy steps. How to organize cleaning supplies. Does the area under your sink frustrate you? Do you need to take a deep breath before opening that cabinet door? Do you sigh with annoyance as you try to find what you need? You are not alone. Many of my clients struggle with cleaning supplies and feel overwhelmed by them. Keep reading or listening to learn the 3 easy steps to organize and store cleaning supplies and make you perhaps not excited to see your cleaning supplies, but definitely no longer overwhelmed. Step 1, reduce cleaning supplies. The first step in organizing cleaning supplies is to whittle down the number of cleaning products in your house. For instance, if you've never used it, you don't plan to use it, or you used it and now dislike it, and you know you will always grab a different product, discard it. When I say discard it, I mean put it aside in a paper sack or a bin. Then at the end of the purging process, you can give it to a friend or a family member or post on the Nextdoor or Facebook. Free. Works great as an attention grabber. And this way, someone somewhere hopefully will utilize it, especially if it's a full bottle or rarely used cleaning tool. You can also recycle the bottle, or if it's a tool, give to a donation center. What to discard, trash, or donate? If the bottle is empty, discard or recycle it. If the bottle is corroded, discard or recycle it. If the bottle was filled in the 90s or early 2000s or is expired, discard or recycle it. If the solution was for old vacuums, mops, etc. that you no longer own, trash or recycle it. If you're moving and the movers will not pack it and you are not driving, discard or recycle it. If you've replaced the vacuum, mop, or sweeper with a newer version, discard the old item. Even if the new one broke, you'd likely buy the latest version instead. If the wipes are dry, you can either 1, add rubbing alcohol or 70% isopropyl. 2, repurpose by adding water and use as a more general wipe. Or 3, discard or recycle it. Are you sensing a solution? If the bottle has a solution that must be disposed of properly, please follow those directions. Remember, the goal of downsizing your cleaning supplies is to keep only what you know you will use. The rest just takes up vital real estate. Step 2, assign homes to cleaning supplies to store them. You have many options when deciding where to place your cleaning supplies: under sinks, laundry room, garage, linen or utility closets, pantry, dresser, top of counters, and basically any space you could think to place it. The goal is to create less work for you, so ideally, organize cleaning supplies where you will use them. Some clients have all cleaning supplies under their kitchen sink, while others place the necessary cleaning supplies under each bathroom sink. This reduces the distance you have to trek to clean each toilet, tub, or sink. Or, if you do have space in the laundry room, this is an excellent place to keep all of the supplies. Wherever makes the most sense for you, store it there. Final thought. While I generally like to store like items with like, if you have multiple levels in your house, it does make sense to have a cleaning supply section on each level, including vacuums or brooms. Cautions. I don't recommend placing cleaning supplies in the same area as food, so your pantry is out, or the garage, as Houston heat can affect the chemicals. Be aware of what you're placing the chemicals next to, and try to avoid placing them by anything that will be ingested or placed on the body. Lastly, if you have children or pets, be aware of cabinets with easy access. My brother and sister-in-law used to use magnetic locks, but do your due diligence in researching the best for your specific cabinets or home. Step 3. Utilize products to contain and store cleaning supplies. So after determining where you will store them, now decide how you will organize the cleaning supplies. You can either carry everything with you and only grab what you need as you need it, then buy product to simplify the storage of the cleaning supplies. Below are some helpful options. A plastic tote like this one separates everything you need: gloves, scrub brush, solutions, and it's easy to carry from space to space. Great to store under a sink and just take with you as you clean each space. Plastic bins can be stored in cabinets or on shelves, and you just grab what you need. The bins protect your cabinet/shelf bottoms from any solution while allowing categorization of like solutions with like. Floor solutions in one bin, all-purpose in another, bathroom, and so on. You can place these bins under sinks, in laundry rooms, or in utility closets. And then an absolute must-have that I recommend in the majority of client homes: a tool rack to hold your brooms, mops, etc. This is an example, but any style will do. These mounted racks keep the supplies off the floor, stop them from falling over, and keep everything looking neat on the floor. And they're great for the garage as well, for any tools that you have out there. Maximizing space under the sink is difficult due to pipes, so you have a few options. They have under the sink expandable organizers, which is good if your piping's larger, or if you have product that you rarely use, you can put it in the back. There's also room left over for your carrying tote, which is filled with the often used product. This organizer rack allows you to adjust the shelves depending on where the pipe lays. I prefer this one over the first because you can see everything, but you do lose the number of items you can store. So if you have a lot, if you have quantity, this one might not be the best. So what do you think? Are you feeling ready to tackle your cleaning supplies? Still not sure if you should follow the steps above? Read why it's vitally important to assign homes to all the objects in your home, including when you organize cleaning supplies. Hint, it involves a limited supply of willpower. We'll link that below to my other blog posts, which I refer to right there. Bonus, how to organize rarely used supplies. You thought we were done. While I recommend keeping all cleaning supplies together, not everything needs to take up that prime real estate. For example, if you only break out the furniture polish right before hosting Thanksgiving, it does not need to live under your kitchen sink year-round. Think of your storage in layers. Your most used item should be the easiest to grab, while rarely used product can go in an out-of-the-way spot. For instance, I keep my everyday supplies under the kitchen sink, but my overflow and occasional use product live above my washer and dryer. And that's where I store my things like Goo Gone, oven cleaner, cooktop polish, stainless steel cleaner, and my extra glass cleaner. I also keep a small set of bathroom cleaning supplies under each bathroom sink. So technically my home has 4 cleaning supply zones, but it makes cleaning so much more efficient. So how about you? Where do you store your main cleaning supplies? Do you keep everything in one spot, or do you stash certain products closer to where you'll use them? I'd love to hear your cleaning supply secrets. Stephanie. Thank you so much for listening. Please subscribe, share this with a friend. And there we have it. We are fini with this reading of how to organize your cleaning supplies in 3 easy steps. Were those easy? Was that enough for you? Thank you so much for listening. I do appreciate your time. And please subscribe, share this with a friend, like, and comment below with your fascinating cleaning supplies. I would love storage solutions. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Soulstice on stage, watch it shine where the soul meets the page.